Meghalaya government is keeping a close watch following reports of jihadi activities in neighbouring Assam. Terming jihadi activities as a national threat, Home Minister Lahkmen Rymbui on Wednesday said that the state is sharing intelligence inputs with the central agencies as well as with other states. The Home Minister informed that coordination between different states and central agencies is being done so that no element that threatens the unity and integrity of the country has any place in India or in Meghalaya. Assam has become a hotbed of jihadi activities, with 30 people arrested in 5 months as 5 jihadi modules having links with Bangladesh-based terror outfit Ansarul Islam were busted.
It is not only the matter only in the state of Meghalaya. The sharing of inputs between the central agencies or other state is being done because this is a national, not only state threat, or is a national threat. So coordination between different state and between different central agency is being done so that the no element which put the unity and integrity of the country at risk have any place in India or in the state of Meghalaya.